Hi y'all. So here's what I'm going to do. I want to show you how to add some vectors together because I know you have some examples on your worksheets and stuff. So let's just say I had, I don't know. Let's say I have the vector x right here. Okay, this is vector x. And let's say I had vector y look something like this. Okay, so I'll go ahead and label these two vectors. This particular vector I'm going to call vector x. Okay. And I'm going to call this vector vector y. Okay. When I do these vectors and I want to add these vectors together, of course I'm going to do the vector addition. Vector addition is going to be vector x plus vector y. And that's going to result, that's funny, that's the word result, it's going to result in the vector z. Z is called a resultant vector. Okay. So essentially what I'm going to do here, ladies and gentlemen, is I'm going to go ahead and add these two vectors together. To add these two vectors together, ladies and gentlemen, what I have to do is I actually have to grab vector x and vector y and place them tail to tail. Now what does that mean? It says, well, the part that doesn't have the arrow, that's the parts that are going to be touching here. When I add vector x and vector y together, they're tail to tail now. Then what I want to do is I want to move either vector x or vector y tail to head. When I move it tail to head, the vector that results from the tail of one vector to the head of the other vector is the resultant vector, vector z.